Hey, this is Avtar Singh from Mr. Phone, and Realme just launched their new smartphone Realme 2 Pro, and in this video we are going to do a blind test camera comparison of the three smartphones, that is the Realme 2 Pro, the Motorola One Power and the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Check out all the photos and let us know in the comment below which one do you think is the Realme 2 Pro. So let's start the video.
Hey, this is Sri Hari from Mr. Phone, and right now a video from obviously the front camera of one of the three phones. Let me know what you think of the audio and the video quality.
So that was our blind test camera comparison of the three smartphones, and you might have thought which one is the A and which one is B and which one is C. Do let us know in the comments below which do you think is the Realme 2 Pro and the Redmi Note 5 Pro and Motorola One Power M. So I'm gonna tell you which smartphones are A, B and C. So A is Motorola One Power and B is Realme 2 Pro and C is Redmi Note 5 Pro. So if you want to see the full detailed review of the Realme 2 Pro, we have that video. Go check out the video. The link is in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video and share this video. This is Avtar Singh. I'll check you in the next one.